Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make choux pastry eclairs only way. Start by boiling water and butter, then add flour and stir until a smooth paste forms. Cool slightly before beating in eggs one at a time until glossy. Pipe uniform logs on a baking sheet, bake until golden and crisp, then cool completely. Fill shells with pastry cream or whipped cream and finish with a chocolate glaze for a classic eclair. Choux is simple chemistry that rewards precision and patience. Start with exact measurements and heat the liquid until it simmers, then add flour quickly and stir until a smooth ball forms. Let the dough cool briefly so eggs don't scramble, then incorporate eggs one at a time until the batter falls in a ribbon. Pipe consistent shapes, bake without opening the oven, and you'll get hollow shells perfect for filling. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is my go-to scent after flowery hands and bakery runs. It keeps the ride smelling great. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. A rich pastry cream makes these eclairs unforgettable and keeps the shell crisp when chilled. Temper hot milk into egg yolks and sugar. Cook until thickened with cornstarch, then chill completely before piping. Fill by inserting a tip into the side or bottom of each shell and gently piping until you feel resistance. Dip tops in a smooth chocolate glaze, let set, and serve chilled for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.